Look at that. Woo! Induction cooktops. So quick and easy. It's just for the quick and easiness. Goes a little breezy, but not that breezy now. It's backed off. But how easy is that? Steak, veggies, boom. Heat was instant. Didn't have to wait for it. It's too good. You're getting cold. You're shaking. It's that time of the night where he starts to shake. Lie down. It's all right. Yeah, I must have sworn. I swear he goes all loopy. But yeah, fire's starting to simmer nicely. That steak sounds good. It's cooking nice. Dinner is ready. Steak and veggies. Woo. How good, eh? I get to sit in front of this fire eating this. I'm doing it tough, aren't I? Yes. Woo. I better sit down and hog into this. Oh, before my dog tries and... How... Steak is cooked beautifully. Wow. Mm-hmm. Mm. Here we go. Dish is all done. Everything put away. Get this fire. Not roaring, but a little bit going. It's burning nice right now. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Sort of like, this is why I like getting everything done early. Then I can just sit back and chill. Body's fed. Dishes are done, put away. It doesn't take me long, especially it's just one of me. So when it's just one person, you know, you're cooking for and you're cleaning for, it's quite easy. Well, it's starting to get cool. I reckon it's not going to be as cold tonight, but I beg to differ. Won't be a late one, that's for sure, especially with this amount of wood. But I'm happy with that. Early to bed, early to rise, and I'm already yawning. Gosh, excuse. I think Bullfed would quite happily go to bed early, but I know I'll have to get up during the night for him, if not for myself. He slept well last night, that was for sure. Lights are on. Fire's going nicely, good set of coals, dog's rugged up. Sun is pretty well set. All I'm going to do is sit there and watch the bush telly all night till it runs out or gets too cold. And then I'm going up to Taj Mahal to snore. Yes, snore loudly. But yeah, apart from that, another quiet night. Sitting around the bush telly, as I put it. But yeah, I'll say good night and I'll see you all in the morning because not much is going to happen and it's going to be pretty boring and quiet. It's just, yeah, it's just been a long few days of travel. And I've slept well, I must admit, and I plan to sleep well tonight. So yeah, catch you all in the morning. See ya. Come on. Good morning, everyone. Well, that was a pleasant evening sleep. It wasn't cold, even though I got the beanie on. It's yeah, it was a good night. Nice and warm, actually. Fire still got a little bit going. You can tell it wasn't cold because there's no mildew on the windscreen. Up early with the birds. It's nice, but it's, you know, 20 to 7, but listen to them. You can hear traffic in the distance. Farmers have got to work because we are in wheat belt country out here. Oh, magic morning. Oh, absolutely magic. This morning, have breakfast, coffee, pack up, and then hit the road. Not much exciting. Sit around and listen to the birds a bit though this morning. There you go, Bullfed. Time to sit down and enjoy. Just saw a tinge of red in the tree or orange, and the sun's coming. Beautiful. It's going to be a good day. It's always a good day when the sun comes up. That sun is really getting up now. It's nice. Oh, it's warming the soul. The dog's still lying in the grass, chilling away, which is fine. Time to make a coffee. Definitely need that. But I think I left my coffee cup in the car. Yeah, I did. Ooh. It's all right. Good enough. All right. Kettle's boiled. Nice. Time for my coffee. Oh, that's hot. Touch. Birds just come to say hello. That sun is really starting to warm everything up. Starting to light up the rooftop, which is good. Though there was no condensation in there last night. I had the side windows open a little bit more just to let a bit more air flow out. It seemed to be the perfect match, but it wasn't anywhere near as cold. I don't really even need to... Oh, maybe I do need the beanie. Not a sexy look in the morning, is it? Well, beanie's off, hat's on. It's pretty well ready to pack up, which is a shame. Take me 10-15 minutes, I suppose. Chair away, put his bedding away. He's keen as mustard. I'll do his bed last, because look, he just wants to go. Guaranteed I opened his door, he'd try and jump in. Like, he'd put his paws up. He's not that athletic built. The bit we all hate. Backing up. At least stuff's not so wet, which is good. I've got to pour water over this because it's still smouldering. It was earlier. Can't believe I thought it would have totally died last night. Wasn't much wood in it at all, but one little piece there. Crazy how different fires work different. Watch this. I'll put this in the car and he will want to jump straight in. Definitely will want to jump straight in. See? You want to hop in already? See? Silly dog. Oh, that breeze is a bit fresh on the back of my neck. Just wait, mate. Oh, I got that to put away. Not yet, no. I've got to finish my coffee. Oh, so good. He's keen. He just wants to go. Look at him. I've got to make sure that's over. Move, move. You had a drink? You probably did. Yeah, you can't jump. Oh well. The part that just covers everything in ash normally. And I'd probably do it again. Get some more. No, not yet. That wind is starting to pick up. I can feel it in my hair again. Oh. I do need to shave. I'm getting hairy. And hairy. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Gonna be magic. Magic day. All right, that is it. Time to go. Steele's happy. Thank you for joining us. Remember, like, share, comment, all that kind of stuff if you want to. If you don't want to, that's great. Just thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next trip.